Hi Aiden, we've got a new rhyming section today, so listen carefully. I'm going to say a nonsense word, like it doesn't make sense, it's not a real word. And you're going to say not what the nonsense word is, and then you're going to say what the rhyming word is, what the real word is. So I'm going to give you an example, and then I'm going to do this slow with you today so we can get it figured out, okay? So if I said fizzers, you would say not fizzers, scissors. You would think of something that's real that rhymes with fizzers, okay? So because this is new, I'm going to say it, and then I'm going to say what you're supposed to say today too, okay? All of these are colors, the real words, not the nonsense words. Okay, so here's the nonsense words. Z. And you would say, not Z, red. Okay, let's try another one. Quello. Not quello, yellow. Here's another one. Turple. And you would say, not turple. I hope you said purple. Okay, let's try one more. Freen. Not freen, green. Okay, good job. So onset fluency next. Remember, onset fluency is the beginning sound. So I'm going to say a sentence like this. Cats can climb. And you would tell me what sound it starts, all of those words start with. What sound? K. Good. Okay, let's try another one. Dogs dig down deep. D. Quails quack quietly. Qu. One more. Joe juggles jelly jars. What do they all start with? J. Good. Okay, we're going to blend. I'm going to start with the onset rhyme and then end with the rest of the word. So let's try it. Ope, rope. Okay, I'm going to let you blend. T, each, teach. S, ox, socks. H, onk, honk. R, eed, read. Good job. Okay, final sounds. I'm going to say two words, and you're going to tell me the sound that is the same at the end of both of those words. You can punch it out if you want. Will, tile. Ill. So ul is the final sound. Cake, book. I hope you said k. Here, tear. Seat, date. T. Good. Last one. Head, hide. D. Very good. Okay, we're gonna chop. Get your choppers out. We're gonna chop the beginning sound and then the ending, okay? So for example, dad would be d, add, okay? Well. I'm going to do a couple with you. L. Make sure we got it. King. Ing. Doll. All. Jug. Ugh. Lock. Ock. Good job. Okay, now this is tricky. We're going to add part of our word. We have the ending, axe, and we're going to add wa at the beginning. Wa, axe, wax. Okay, we have ash at the ending. We're going to put d at the beginning. D, ash, dash. Today's kind of a practice day. It's okay that I'm doing them with you because we're just practicing. We've got all new things today. So we have an at the ending, f at the beginning, f, an, fan. Good job. Okay, now we're going to take part of away. We might take away the initial sound, the onset, or we might take away the ending part. Okay, bump without buh. What's left? Ump. Must without what's left? Ust. Lunch without ul, what's left? Unch. Tub without t, what's left? Ub. Very good. Almost done. Okay, substitute means I take part of it away and I change it with another sound. So we have the word me. I'm going to take away and put in h for he. Okay, we have he. I'm going to take h away and put in t for tea. We have tea. I'm going to take t away and put in wa. We. All of these rhyme too, huh? I have wa. I'm going to take away wa and put in s for see. Good job. Okay, last part is counting our words for our sentences. Remember, don't go too fast. I love eating applesauce. I'm giving you time to do it. I love eating applesauce. 4. Okay, did you ride on the sailboat? That's a long one. I'm giving you time. Okay, let's do it together. Did you ride on the sailboat? 6. Okay, one more. Did everyone finish their snack? I'll give you time to do it yourself. Okay. Did everyone finish their snack? 5. Okay, great job today. I'll see you tomorrow.